Welcome to today's mathematics class. Here is a question on plane shape. We are asked to calculate the area of what? The figure, because the whole figure is what? Shaded. All right. This is very easy. This particular question comes from a grade 7 scheme. So for those of us that are struggling with mathematics, you can as well go back to this topic and watch this video. If you don't understand it, watch it over and over again. Now, what do we need to look at here? If you look at this figure here, it means two shapes. Look at this one here, that is this one, and there is this one at the top. So if I want to solve this now, I can decide to break it into two. I can bring this down, this one, there is this here, there is this one here. I can split it. Let me bring it down into two. Remember that this diagram is not drawn to scale. Okay, it's not drawn to scale. For those of us that might comment rubbish, so this is not drawn to scale. Okay, so here it means that what will be this? Okay, let's check the question. I think the question is incomplete. So let's see. Okay, the question is incomplete. So I think here is given to us as 2 centimeter. Okay, good. So that place is given to us as 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. Now let's look at this next one. The next one here is a shape like this. This is what? A rectangle. And we are giving that what this side is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. We also give it that from here to here is 8. Mean that what? 8 centimeter. Okay, that is the length. Now you remember that what? For us to calculate the area is what? Length times your breadth. So in this area 2 here, it means this one is what? A setting is achieved. We can calculate this. But this place, this is where some students will find it very difficult. We know the breadth, but we don't know the length. How do we get the length? Let us use here. Let's trace it. If we decide to trace here, remember that what? This side is opposite to this side, which means here. From there, it was shared like this, divided, and we are giving about 3 centimeter each. 3 centimeter each. And remember, one of the properties of a rectangle is that opposite sides are equal. So grade 5, grade 6, grade 3, even grade 4. So you can tell us that. So if from here to here is 3, from here to here is 3, from here to here is 3, and we are giving that the total from here to here is 8. It means I am going to add this one and then subtract it from here so that I can have what is here. So it means that what here will also be 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Take 6 away from 8, it will give us 2. So here is 2 to make it to be what? 8. So if that is the case, it means here is also 2 centimeter, which means we are having a square shape here. Now, for us to calculate the area of this figure, it's going to be area of this square plus area of this what? Rectangle. And we know that what area of a square is what? Length times length, which is what? L squared. And we are giving that the length here is what? 2. So which means 2 squared equal to what? 4 centimeter squared. Now let us come to this area of what? A rectangle. Area of a rectangle is what? Length times breadth. Okay. Area equal to what? Length times what? The breadth or the width. So which means length here is what? 8. So area is going to give us what? 8 times the breadth is 2. From the question here is what? 2, which is equal to 16 centimeter squared. Now the area of the figure will now give us what? Area of this one plus this, which is equal to total area is equal to 4 plus what? 16, which is what? 20 centimeter squared. So this is the area of the figure on the board. If you find this mathematics class very interesting, please don't hesitate to share this video so that it can get to a greater number of people or students who are struggling, so they can get to them on this platform. Bye.